Today's topic is colligative properties. At first, what is colligative properties? The properties of solution which depends upon number of solute particle, not upon its nature, is called colligative properties. What do you mean by number of solute particles? It means colligative properties depends upon number of atoms or number of ions or number of molecules or number of moles, not upon its nature. It means colligative properties does not depends upon force of attraction. It depends only upon number of solute particle dissolved. There are four colligative properties. First, relative lowering of vapor pressure. Second, elevation in boiling point. Third, depression in freezing point. Fourth, osmotic pressure. So at first, relative lowering of vapor pressure. What do you mean by lowering of vapor pressure? When non-volatile solute is added in solvent, then vapor pressure of solution decreases. That decrease in vapor pressure of solution in comparison to pure solvent is called lowering of vapor pressure. So lowering of vapor pressure is equal to vapor pressure of solvent minus vapor pressure of solution. That is P naught A minus PA, where P naught A is vapor pressure of pure solvent and PA is vapor pressure of solution. Now from Raoult's law, PA is equal to P naught A into chi A. Again, for a solution, chi A plus chi B is equal to 1. Why? Because the sum of mole fraction of all the components present in solution is 1. So, chi A is equal to 1 minus chi B. Putting this value of chi A in equation 1, we get PA is equal to P naught A into 1 minus chi B, or PA is equal to P naught A minus P naught A into chi B, or P naught A into chi B is equal to P naught A minus PA, or chi B is equal to P naught A minus PA by P naught A. Here this term is relative lowering of vapor pressure. And what is chi B? This is mole fraction of solute. It means relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to mole fraction of solute. Again, we know that what is mole fraction? Number of moles of that component divided by total number of moles of all the components present in solution. So equation 2 becomes, when we put the value of P naught A minus PA by P naught A is equal to number of moles of B by number of moles of A plus number of moles of B, और P naught A minus PA by P naught A is equal to WB by MB, WA by MA, WB by MB. For solving it, we get MB is equal to WB into MA by WA into PA by P naught A minus PA. This is expression for molar mass of solute in terms of relative lowering of vapor pressure, and this is formula for numerical based on relative lowering of vapor pressure.